Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of integration exercise 8.8. Look at this problem. Let I is equal to integral 3x plus 5 by square root of x square minus 8x plus 7. Looks like linear by quadratic, root quadratic. So as I told you, one substitution we have to take. So 3x plus 5, numerator equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b. So we will get a times 2x minus 8 plus b. So comparing the coefficient of x on both sides, we will get 3 equal to 2a. That implies a equal to 3 by 2. If you compare the constant terms on both sides, then we will get 5 is equal to minus 8a plus b. So in the place of a, keep 3 by 2, then we will get 2 fours. 3 by 2 means minus 12 plus b equal to 5. Then b equal to 5 plus 12, 17. Right? So we can write numerator can be expressed as a times 3 by 2 times x square, 2x minus 8 plus b 17. Okay? 3 by 2 times plus 17. So now I will take the given integral. I is equal to integral, numerator can be written as 3 by 2 times 2x minus 8 plus 17 by square root of x square minus 8x plus 7 dx. So 3 by 2 we can keep it out, 2x minus 8 by square root of x square minus 8x plus 7 dx plus 17. Same model problems. Point of view, very important model. So carefully you have to practice. 7 times 1 by root of, I will express this as perfect square. Write x first. Coefficient of x is 8. So half is 4. Half of the coefficient of x we should write. Plus 7 minus whatever we have here, we have to subtract the square dx. So it looks like, as I told you, integral f dash x by f of x dx equal to root f of x, no? F dash x by root f of x. That means 2 root f of x plus c. 2 times root f of x plus c. 2 times root f of x means this, plus 17 times integral 1 by square root of x minus 4 whole square, 16 minus 7, 9. So minus 3 square dx. So it looks like clearly 1 by root of integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx, right? That can be written as log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So if you apply that, 2 gets cancelled. 3 times root of x square minus 8x plus 7 plus 17 times log mod x minus 4 plus root of this x square minus a square is nothing but simplification form of this only, no? You can write directly plus c. Therefore, integral 3x plus 5 by square root of x square minus 8x plus 7 dx equal to 3 times root of x square minus 8x plus 7 plus 17 log mod x minus 4 plus root of x square minus 8x plus 7 plus c. So that is the first one solution, right? Same model we have to do the second problem also, but we have to multiply and write it in quadratic expression. Okay, let us see. Next question, let I equal to integral x plus 2 by square root of, I'll just express x square minus 3x minus 2x, right? Minus 5x plus 3 2s are 6 dx. So looks like linear by root quadratic. So we have one substitution, that is x plus 2 is equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b. Okay, so this can be written as a times 2x minus 5 plus b. Compare the coefficients of x on both sides. We will get 1 equal to 2a, that implies a equal to 1 upon 2. Constants if you compare, we will get 2 equal to minus 5a plus b, right? So here we will get minus 5a means 1 by 2 plus b equal to 2. So b equal to 2 plus 5 by 2. That means b equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9 by 2. Right? Correct. 9 by 2. So we can write x plus 2 can be expressed as 1 by 2 times 2x minus 5 plus b means 9 by 2. Now take the given integral. I is equal to integral, in the place of x plus 2 we can write 1 by 2 times 2x minus 5 plus 9 by 2 upon square root of x square minus 5x plus 6 whole dx. Split 1 by 2 integral 2x minus 5 by root of x square minus 5x plus 6 dx plus 9 by 2 times integral 1 by root of x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Okay, so we can split this. X, coefficient of x is 5, half 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 minus 5 by 2 whole square, right? Dx. Whatever we have, either minus 5 by 2 or plus 5 by 2, subtract 5 by 2 whole square from there. 1 by 2 times 2 root f dash x by root f of x means we can write 2 root f of x plus 9 by 2 times this can be 1 by root of x minus 5 by 2 whole square. So 5 by 2 whole square means 25 by 4. So 4 6 are 24. So minus 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square dx. Clearly it looks like 1 by root of x square minus a square. 1 by root of x square minus a square. Right? Correct. So integral, same formula. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root of x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 9 by 2 times log mod x minus 5 by 2 plus root of, this expression is nothing but x square minus 5x plus 6 plus c, right? So therefore integral x plus 2 by root of x square minus 5x plus 6 dx equal to, this is the final answer. Very very important problems. Practice carefully. So same model problems have been solved. So practice carefully. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.